my beautiful, gorgeous people, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Alex. This is your boy Alex, and welcome to my channel. Please do not forget to click the subscribe button below. Just click the subscribe button below. Yes, please do that, and please do not forget to leave a like as well if you like this video. Do not forget to leave a comment. Do not forget to ask me any questions on the comment section, and I promise that I'll reply to all the comments that I get. Yes, that one I promise. Pinky promise. How do you do the pinky promise? Yes, like this. Okay, so let's get to the video. Okay guys, what is this video going to be about? What is today's video about? Today's video is about this girl, guys. This is Zinhle Ngobese, the chick from Rhythm City. I know she's beautiful, right? She is pretty, guys. And every day after Rhythm City, this girl is trending on social media. Whatever role that she plays on Rhythm City as Zinhle Ngobese, she's nailing it, guys. She's nailing that role. And she also has a message, by the way, to everyone who's an aspiring actor or actress. You know, live up to it. Make sure that you don't stop hustling, right? Might as well just build yourself a small group at school, perform in assemblies, okay, right now it's during that pandemic where, you know, we all not at school and we cannot go out there, you know, performance, just be a street performer if needs to be anything. Or right now, stay at home. Do not go to the streets to catch corona out there. Stay at home, you know, use your phone.
Perform it, just, you know, do what the YouTubers do. Act, you know, just grow yourself, guys, yes, whatever.
But one day, I'll be watching you guys. So let's just get to the video. Let's just get to Zinhle's facts, guys. This video is about Zinhle's facts, guys. Zinhle Ngobese. What are her facts? Her real life facts. What is her real name? How old is she really? Okay, I don't really know how old she is on Rhythm City. I think I never really caught that one. But anyway, how old is she in real life? Where does she live in real life? Who does she live with? Does she have a car? Which car does she own? Does she have a house? Does she own her own house? And where does she live? Blah blah and all that. If she studies or if she studied, where does she study and what is she doing there? Blah blah and so forth. So let's get to the video. I think I'm saying that for the second time, but let's get to the video. Okay, so her real name is Kealeboga Masango. Yes, Kealeboga is her real name. I mean, I think Kealeboga is really pretty and it really does match her, you know. Yes, you know what I'm talking about. I don't really know her in real life in terms of personality. I know her on Rhythm City, guys. I go just watch Rhythm City and I'm like, because currently she's trending, guys. She's trending. She's trending. You know, her role is trading on Rhythm City. It's trending. I'm not trading. I don't know. I'm talking about trading. Maybe I'm gonna be a famous trader. Who knows? Yes. Okay. So Kealeboga means thank you in English, and it means ngiyabonga in Zulu. What am I? I don't know. I'm a Luxian culture, guys. I don't know. I'm just a mixture of everything. You know, 11 official languages. Yes. Bear with me, please. Okay, so how old is she? She is 17 years old, guys. She was born in 2003. That is Kealeboga for you, yes. And so that makes her, she currently does not have a car. She currently has not really bought herself a car, and she currently does not live on her own. So she does not have a house of her own. She still lives with her family, guys. Where does she live? She lives at Umlazi, KZN. Oh, that place, guys. I so wish to go and visit there, because it seems like, you know, a lot of our actors, or most of our actors, I don't know, but most actors that I know are from Umlazi, guys. I watch Uzalo, I love Uzalo, but you know, if you're from Umlazi, KZN, you need to comment down below. Tell me how that place is. Tell me more about that place. Just make me want to come there more. Currently, I don't have any money to travel. Even if I did, I mean, I wouldn't really travel during this pandemic. So hopefully after the pandemic, I'll have, you know, some ching-ching-yana. No, I've never been to Durban as well. I know people go to Durban, you know, go to Durban, to that beach over there. No, I've never been there, guys. Ish. But anyway, hopefully someday. So she's from Umlazi, KZN, and I know she's 17, guys, right? This is one interesting fact. So I don't know what I did. Okay, I know she's 17 years old, but the interesting facts that I have for you is she already is a graduate, guys. She is a graduate at the University of South Africa, at Chinisa. Yes, she's a graduate, guys, and I don't know how she did it, or I have no idea. That I still need to get information about, more information about. Okay, guys. So how much does she earn? I mean, that is all what we want to know. How much does she earn? To be honest with you guys, I do not know. I do not want to lie to you guys. I'm like, no, she earns 15,000. I don't know, she earns 16,000, like what other YouTubers do. I'm not saying the other YouTubers are lying. That is really not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is, if they were able to get that information, then I was unfortunate. I was not fortunate enough to get it right. So I'm just going to estimate or guess or what, but I think it depends on your role at that moment in time. You know, like how much you earn. If I'm going to be like, just like, for example, like Zinhle, we're talking about Zinhle here, right? So currently her role is training, guys. Like, it's on the spotlight there in Rhythm City. So right now I think she's making more money than when she's just in the background there, just being that daughter of the Ngobese, you know, just like she's just a daughter there. But now she's like there. Her parents in Rhythm City are the parents of Zinhle. Zinhle is not the daughter of the parents now. Like, she's there. So I think probably she would make about 20K. I don't know. Which is money that I've never got my hands on, even when I was working. Maybe I should be an actor. What do you guys think? Please comment down below. Let me know if I would make a good actor. And if yes, where do you think I would fit? Like, in which soap? No, South African soaps, because those are hot. Okay, guys, so that was it about Zinhle Ngobese, and about her Instagram. I did go try to find her Instagram, but I was not really fortunate enough, cause you know there's a lot of fan pages instead, like everywhere, right? So yes, okay guys, that's it, and thank you so much for watching this YouTube video, and please do come back for more. I love you guys so much, and peace.